Well, trading is closed on June the 18th, 2019. We'll go over our calls. We had a 3 days tight pattern, so we looked for a big move. So I wasn't too interested in the downside. And if we moved up sharply, I think higher prices were coming and the move should be believed. This is a pattern with the early high. Tomorrow's pattern should also have an early high. Doesn't mean you won't gap down first. During the day, MEJT's only call was that this rally was false and would retrace. Mixed indicators increase the likelihood we're going to gap outside the range. Gapped up, hit a high, higher high, couldn't close over either. Negative pattern unless we gap and take this high out early. Dropped for almost all day long, couldn't close under any of the lows. Positive pattern unless we gap and take these lows out early. This is a pattern that my friend the late Bill Blount used to say was prone to zoom higher when we reopen. Zoom up and take out this high. I think that's the most likely scenario. I have to caution that if I'm wrong, you'll know before the open. And if I'm right, since I don't play the overnight session, it won't do me any good, but that's what I think is going to happen. Tomorrow's the day of the Fed announcement, and the one prediction I can safely make is that almost always you get a big whipsaw around the announcement, and if you try to play it, there's a good chance you'll lose money. It's impossible to say for me at this point if this is the right count, but if it is the right count, it's hard for me to see how this leg's over. I look for higher prices to come, at least over this high, and if what I read about the high short position of retail customers is true, and I don't know if it is, but if it's true, we'll probably see more than that. So we have a pretty positive pattern here. We just need follow through by gapping and taking out this high early, which I think is the most likely occurrence tomorrow. Pattern with the early high, whipsaw around the Fed announcement that I personally find too dangerous to trade, and that's my call.